Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Lucia. Today I am going to tell about an important experience in my life, and then I will describe some family photos using the present continuous. Last year I traveled to Cusco with my cousin during my vacation. It was my first time visit Machu Picchu, so I feel very excited. First, we took a bus from Arequipa to Cusco. The trip was long, but the landscapes were beautiful on the first day. We visited the Plaza de Armas and traditional markets. I bought souvenirs for my family and I ate typical food. The next day, we woke up early and traveled to Machu Picchu by tram and bus. When I saw the place, I felt very happy because it was bigger and more beautiful than I imagined. In this photo, my family is having lunch in a restaurant. My mother is wearing a black jacket and blue jeans. She is smiling and tells to my aunt. My younger brother is sitting next to me. He is eating chicken and rice, and he is wearing a red shirt. My father is standing near the table because he is serving drinks. The restaurant is crowded, but the atmosphere is comfortable and friendly. My brother is more talkative than me, and my father is tired than everyone in the family. In this picture, my friends and I are walking through a park. We are celebrating my friend's birthday. My best friend is a journey, white sweater and black pants. She is carrying a small backpack and lounging loudly. Another friend is riding a bicycle across the park with the two kids are running toward the playground. The park is cleaner and quieter than other parks in my city. In this photo, my cousins are playing volleyball and the beach. Two cousins are hooping near the net, and another cousin is running after the ball. My older cousin is wearing sunglasses and a blue cap. She is more athletic than me because she practices sport every weekend. In the background, some children are walking along the beach, and a family is sitting under a big umbrella. The ocean looks calm and beautiful. I enjoy sharing my experience and describe my family photos. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you, teacher.